now completed our AluSplash installation, and it comes to specifying the correct polish for the panel. Now we have two different polishes available, and it's quite essential that we don't get that wrong. So what we've got is, as part of our essential range, this is our metallics, our flats, this is our high gloss finishes. We've got a Vuplex anti-static cleaner. Now this polish is easy to apply. You simply pull your film back off of your panel, apply your Vuplex, give it 30 seconds, and then wipe your panel clean. So that's the way that's applied. Now, we then move over to our new range, which is called our Elements. And our Elements is this gorgeous matte injection of colour on the panel. But what we can't do is start introducing a high gloss polish onto this panel. So we've created a Matte Max Cleaner. This is designed to be able to clean all matte products. This is what we would recommend applying over our new Elements range.